So as it be like this, ladies and gentlemen, the name na 2 words, but now only winter I call earlier. So now you go call the full one. Just like me, I just go say, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Michael Uba. Oh, you hear cricket, they do quick. So I always say Ogbolo. You understand? If they ring bell one kind, it's Ogbolo. But with the package, you thing. You understand? So when you call that, when you play that, Ogbolo, with the repackage, you understand? Like, one person ask me one day, say, why Ogbolo? I go die that name. But when you see money and everything, I go die. And we make money. Ogbolo. We died there. Anyway, winter. Welcome on top of the show. Lovely video. So, what will be the full one now? Winter Amadi. Sure, you get any Amadin?
Amadin. No be Amadi.
Amadin. Okay, N follow him.
Yes, N did the end.
For the end. So Amadin.
A-M-A-D-I-N.
Okay. Which side of the country you come from?
Edo State.
Edo State. So you know Edo. Oba talk by ye.
He said.
No matter you just smile since because you don't see your brother for the area.
Before would they smile?
No, I know. Based on
The same spirit.
That's it.
oh, now I make you wear bead for hand.
This is not the chieftaincy title thing.
Una can like chieftaincy things. They call tie rug for me. They say, yeah. All that song be like say that burial that they do. What's the apple? Even when people they do party for wedding, I don't go wedding before they say, yeah. And they look say,
No, this one no sound like that now.
Yeah?
Rain no sound like that.
Rain no sound like that. Now they try, they peep the whole thing up. I tell Benita last time, I say, what's the apple? He say, everything that's still this. And they try. Abi? Not be Azen. Azen and wish now. Anyway, Winter Madden. Welcome. Now, gospel music.
That's so, bro.
What's in your plan? Because I don't see Dada now.
Okay.
So explain the whole system.
This Dada way you see so.
Yes.
Okay, now side attraction.
Side attraction.
The Dada no dey scare you now.
No, because some people they go they look say gospel artist, the carry Dada for head. Why? So explain to us.
Okay, the whole misconception about the whole thing. We say people they tag gospel music to a certain kind of people. That okay, these particular people they're supposed to look like this, they're supposed to behave like this, and they're supposed act like this sometimes. So our plan, as you ask,
you can also know plenty now. I see one last time OJ Gabada. If you see easy. No, if you are artist, if you see that the daddy this year,
Okay.
I say man, Lord God, I worship you. But I not feel judge because now God know who they follow, they relate.
Yeah.
So it's not your place to come they talk who's supposed to look like one thing and that thing.
True.
Just like for my church now, my pastor know the 2 year suit every. You go say where the writer for Bible say pastor must wear suit. You understand? So
the Bible now.
all the same, I still understand the whole level.
If Jesus Christ did earth today,
Yes.
Jesus Christ go wear distressed jeans now.
Not be lie you.
That's so now.
Just to feel among the whole crowd. You know when Jesus they moved that year, they carry crowd waka.
Yes, now.
You wear Timberland boots.
That's so. You go use and take past wilderness now.
Exactly.
We know so we Jesus Christ is like forget bodyguard.
Well now.
But henchmen go there everywhere.
Just there everywhere. You always very clear.
Yeah, very clear. You see Pt.2 will go stand here and Judah they want to play the church. Judah say he must carry toothpick for mouth. Now those bad boy moves because they plan say that bros will fall your hand.
So the whole idea now to reach some certain people where we say you know go fit use suit rich, you know go fit use the low neat haircuts stay rich, and so when I carry Dada like this, and I come meet you we carry Dada like this, you will want to listen to me now because we will get some kind relationship.
Nice plan. I feel the plan. You understand? I feel the plan. Now quickly, gospel music to you. Waiting gospel music mean to you?
Okay, gospel music. Music itself first.
Okay. Because I know say some gospel make I know they use gospel artists and some musicians where they sing gospel songs, not they like the phrase gospel music or gospel artists. So I understand the.
Me
so,
too, know they like them.
So
I'm
waiting music
mean to me.
mean to you,
Okay.
and then channel that to gospel things.
Exactly. Music na part of life.
Yeah.
There are people where we say if they're down, you know, emotionally, and they distressed, and maybe they go through one or two things.
Yeah.
You feel play music for them, and then they will become okay.
Okay.
They will turn normal. Things will change for them.
Okay.
There will be a turnaround and all
Yeah.
that. So, but talking about gospel, the whole thing is just like putting the message, putting all those things where Jesus Christ bring, where Jesus Christ talk about the good news, putting it into music and then giving
Teach
it
them
to
out
people.
like that. So
Exactly.
basically, they try to preach the word, but in
Exactly.
the musical form.
Exactly. Entertainment must join inside.
Must still dey inside the whole thing to
Exactly.
grab some kind of people then way on a good they no go to.
They no go one listen. Not be everybody go church, go listen to pastor from pulpit
Yes,
now.
but some people go learn from the music what they do.
Exactly.
Correct.
Exactly.
And then you see the young men these days they get plan. You understand? The world needs to watch out. The world needs to watch out. So far now, how many songs you don't get? Say album don't drop. Abi they plan to drop the album or what?
Okay, album na still later things though.
Okay.
Although for now I get compilation CD
Okay.
of some singles where I don't do with people and
Okay.
the ones where I don't do personally and the ones where they don't feature me. That now about 7 tracks. That one day. But album now sure later things.
Okay.
For now I get about 4 singles
Okay.
out personal, then about 2 features.
Okay.
And then this month of August, so I did release 1 new single as well.
Okay. All right. So they look forward to many things though. Sure. And of course, before the show end, we'll see you perform for the for here. Okay. So no shaking. Quickly, we'll just cut the whole plenty talk for here. But I won't see your performance. We won't see you do things. Now, Rain, you perform for us, have you?
No be Rain.
Okay, which one you will do for
I
us?
will do Dear. Now the new one will come out this month.
The new one
Dear,
they launch. So on the late night show, now they boss every.
That's so.
All right, so we'll go on this break quickly. By the time we come back, Odogwu, the comedy machine, go there with me inside the building, and for there to wrap up the whole thing, Winter Madden.
That's so.
We'll follow us later and do a performance to end the show. No go anywhere. This late night show still continue. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.